You know, Queen Samaroon just sit down up so official.
Sit down up. Okay, great then.
All right, so Christmas is a time of giving, and because I'm so kind, so compassionate, so loving, I've invited, well, that's not the reason I invited the great chef Christopher Sinclair McCullough to help prepare this pre-Christmas meal. I'm kind and loving because I'm going to share it with Madame Sama.
I'm so excited.
You look it. Chris, how about?
Pretty good, you?
Can't complain, give thanks. I hear you were abroad. Doing what and where and when and why?
All right, so...
Also how?
So I'm abroad doing various projects to make myself and Jamaica more well-known. And I'm also working on my very first cookbook. So,
okay.
yes, so I'm working on improving my skills so that I can come back and open something.
So what, it will be a book of recipes? Or?
Yes, so the very first book is going to be like a Jamaican cookbook. But
the very first book.
Yes, but it will also have health fusion recipes showing how our culture has been influenced by other cultures as well.
Okay.
So like having a jerk sausage pizza, you know, the Italian have their, yeah.
Jerk sausage
Now, hold up
pizza.
a research that you, right?
Yeah, well.
Well, that's what you do when you're writing a book anyway.
Yes.
Anyway, what you gonna do?
What have you brought?
Just bring me in
this
a restaurant for
morning?
Oh
hungry?
yes, so first you can start by putting on your gloves.
And I'm putting it on for what?
So you're going to be plating for the lovely Simone.
So me plate with my hand?
Well, for particular things, you'll have to do it very with a lot of caution.
So what else would you plate with? Like your food?
No, as opposed to I'm not using the utensils.
Oh.
As opposed to my bare hands I'm talking about.
Well, yes, okay. So what we have...
Oh dear. Do you know which finger goes into which hole, sir? I'm gonna challenge you. This should be the fun stuff, because this is a problem.
It's like an O.J. Simpson, the glove don't fit.
Must have quit.
This is not your first time putting on gloves, though.
Yeah, police? All right.
All right, so we have roasted pork chops, roasted rosemary pork chops. Rosemary pork chops.
Yeah.
And we have some blanched string beans that was blanched in a little bit of salt.
Why them tied
sugar.
up, please?
Oh, so I tied it up with scallion, right? So I put some hot water on it to wilt it a bit and then tied it, you know, to save you the extra work. So this way it looks a bit more beautiful when plating. So you have that, and you have a little salad, and you have mashed potatoes here. These are your little garnishes that you'll put wherever on the plate. And this is the lovely ice wine apple glaze that's going to go on top of the pork chops.
Had me at wine.
No.
Ice wine.
Ice wine.
Apple glaze.
Yes.
All right.
So firstly, you start by choosing...
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
What's the ice in the wine?
So this is the ice wine that you can just show it.
Oh, there's an ice wine.
It's actually called ice wine.
So what is it made from?
Wine and
What
ice.
is it? Don't me an idiot.
Wine
Ice?
and ice.
Wait a man. Canadian winter pickle at the coldest moment ever. So this is, it's frozen grapes. Frozen grapes.
Wine, that's what I said. And ice.
You know what? Make chef talk and you plate, yeah?
All right.
'Cause
All right, so firstly, you have to decide which plate you'd like to put it on, a green plate or a white plate.
The bigger one for she eat plenty.
All right,
Yeah.
so you have your plate. Now, you can decide, firstly you add your mashed potatoes, then your string bean.
So me just pick up the string bean and just put it so. I may have to untie it.
No, you just pick it up. You can use your hand or you can use one of the tongs.
No.
do not use your hand.
But I use in the glove.
Don't use your hand.
All right.
Yeah, my mother.
Well, you listen.
Now the mashed potatoes.
Does it matter which one of the spoons I use?
The larger one will be preferred.
Because I eat plenty.
Don't make it look so bad now.
No, me have to measure it to see which one larger. This longer, but this bigger. So,
Use the one in the right hand.
one in the right hand. So me just
Nev,
scoop up.
can you pass me the ice wine glaze, please?
Ice.
Yes. Okay, there you go, Mr. Harold.
So me just scoop up and
It's not ice cream, yeah?
scoop.
No, man, take out more and put on
Plenty?
the plate. So, put it on the plate,
Yeah.
and then you can put a little bit more if you feel that she need more.
We never know about me, though,
shit.
Jesus.
Hold on, man.
Where you know about
Me
me,
have to
sir?
scoop the whole.
Where you know about me? Why
The man
don't
say
you
you
turn the bowl
need
over
more.
into the plate?
That's
I don't
what
know.
I
He
do.
knows you better than I do.
I
So
actually do. She eat plenty. Don't me
All
do
right.
this now.
you can just leave it in there. All right.
That look good.
And now, the pork.
That's the biggest one. This is the biggest one here. For a big lady. Big pork for a big lady.
What do you mean by big lady?
You're a big lady. You're not a child.
Santa baby.
All right, nice. Now, remember, you also have a little bit of the salad to add to it.
I don't know where
So-
You want salad?
I would like some greens, thank you.
So,
Then you
you,
have plenty green. You want
I
more
would
green
like
than that?
yeah, you may have to
Salad,
move it over
yeah.
a little bit.
So I move it over.
All right.
I must
now,
use this
with
one?
a different tongue.
So what
Yes.
if I want to use the same tongue?
The one that you put on the meat?
All right.
Yeah. And just scoop up?
Yes.
Just like that?
Just like that. Nice.
Don't.
All right.
Hold on now.
All right. So now.
What?
Oh. All right, Chef.
Oh.
Oh, God.
She really loves her corn, huh?
Yeah.
Apparently,
All right. So next thing now
Yeah.
is the apple that was cooked in the apple glaze.
Apple.
Yes. So those are red, delicious apples.
With that mustard, please.
All right. So you're going to take maybe 3 pieces and just open it kind of like a flower.
Simple.
You can use your fingers, yeah.
I just open it.
Like a flowers.
You can lean it towards the pork chop, the other way.
Oh, lean it towards
Yes.
me. No, I don't want to lean
Oh,
it.
okay. All right. Well,
It's not you plating it, please.
you know, you have a valid point there.
Don't I? How that look?
Excellent. All right. Now,
I feel like Mr. B.
now, just take a little bit of this and just put it on the plate.
Hey, that's just some people. Right?
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh. No cash.
All right.
Hold on.
Oh,
Whoops.
I don't think the garnish is supposed
You're
to
not to worry about it.
Is me have to eat it?
It's gold and green with the pork.
all right. Great. Now the ice wine glaze.
Oh, my chest is
The ice wine glaze.
Yes. So first open.
Well, that would.
Wait, it was a bore a whole night.
Just break it. I want to pause on the food.
Hold on, no? Me I open but this now come out.
So
Take it
that's
off.
the second piece. You have to pull that off now. You see, you never want me instruct you. All right.
No, because I know what I'm doing.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
What
all
I must
right.
do now?
Now you can take the spoon
Yeah?
and just drizzle
Drizzle.
over the pork chop.
As in like rain
As in
drizzle.
don't bathe it, not deluge, but drizzle.
It's just the pork
You can
chop is
use
going
more than
on.
that, you
Wait,
know.
no, man.
Oh,
I'm
I'm sorry,
drizzling.
okay.
I am drizzling. Watch a drizzle. Bet you never see nothing drizzle so good in life. Plus, I don't want to drown it.
Oh, my head.
All right. You can put a little bit more.
No, I don't want any more on it.
Oh, okay. All right.
I know.
Hold on.
Oh, man.
We finished?
Yes, you're finished. So now, oh, yes, you can take off the
You
gloves.
can't do that.
Why?
I can't carry you out. You ever hear anybody in a restaurant that scoop up them
I'm
things?
singing for my
So-
supper.
Yeah.
All right, so you can just move the paper from there. So, yes. Oh,
As if you're not too smart. Take care of you. Madam?
Thank you, sir. What did you provide for me today?
You want some?
What did you provide me with today? What's on the menu? What is it?
Pork.
What kind of pork?
From the pig.
How is it prepared?
Cook in oven. At 500. At 500? Eh?
It is pan-seared and then put in the oven at 450, yes.
Me like 500.
All right. Well, 500 it is.
500. You plan to eat?
I can't breathe.
All right. I will put the nose. Don't move, all right?
That's perfect, yes.
Sheffield.
So now you're the chef and the waiter. You're the shater.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a new one.
I am the, you call it, I am the maitre d'. All right, he's Chef Christopher Sinclair McCullough. I'm Chef Bellamy. We're not done yet, but for those of us, for those of you who have to go, let's tell you what's on tomorrow's show. Daly and I, Daly and she will meet the viral singing science teacher. Will you stop?
I'm crying.